Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Vallari and today I am going to create this look. My foundation is done, now I am quickly highlighting my face. For my eyebrows, I am using grey colored eyeshadow as well as eyebrow pencil. I am creating a base for my eye makeup. I am using this shade first. With a small brush, I am trying to create a crease above my actual crease line. I am going to create a V shape at the outer corner of my eye. Now with a clean brush, I am blending the line. I am blending this color over the crease line that I created. Next I am using this purple color on the outer corner of my eye. I am again using the pink color that I used earlier on my crease. Next I am defining my lower lash line with the purple color that I used on the outer corner of my eye. I am blending the pink shade. I am using this pearl white shade on my eyelids. Using silver color glitter by Kryolan. I am using this shade again to highlight my brow bone. I am applying kohl on my waterline as well as tightlining my eyes. I am using liquid liner for a more defined look. I have applied 2 coats of mascara and I am now finishing the rest of my makeup. So this is the finished look guys. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.